Now let's look at data profiling and augmentation. For AutoML, I'm immediately able to see a quick overview of what's going on in my data. We can see in this case we're going to predict customer churn. It's a little bit imbalanced, but not too bad. Missing data is easy to spot, and other important stats like frequency and data type are also available for review. AutoViz gives me deeper insights into my data. I'm automatically provided the most interesting plots about my specific data set. This can help me better understand my data and be more comfortable with the quality. Once I start modeling, data quality checks and resolutions happen automatically within the experiment. Leakage detection will tell me if the model is suspiciously too predictive and why. ID columns are dropped automatically. Missing values can be imputed if it's appropriate for your use case. Feature engineering happens automatically too, which creates new features for our data set, finding the most predictive way to look at our data. Now let's move to H2O-GPT's agents for some automatic mitigation. Here I can ask some questions about my data set. In this case, it ran about 1 minute and we can see the results. We have some data quality updates and information about our data that helps us understand it better. It also removed some unneeded punctuation from my target column. I got smart recommendations not to remove outliers since we're going to probably see them in production. And we can download the final curated data set or ask a follow-up question that it be pushed to driverless AI for model building. For LM fine-tuning use cases, Enterprise LM Studio has a data generation capability that will create new data on top of existing rows or help us build brand new data sets for fine-tuning. This way we can distill large models to save costs and latency.